up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yeah.
Guys, today we are going to work with perimeter of a very simple shape, and this perimeter is for basic learning. So when we say basic, this means we are talking about grade 1, 2 and 3 like that. So first of all, in earlier grades, whenever we are teaching perimeters, we are teaching them in form of squares. So let me do some squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, if I'll ask you about the perimeter, please don't mix it up with the area. Don't mix it up with the area. Perimeter is sum of all sides, while area is the space occupied. So when we say area is the space occupied and perimeter is sum of all sides, we should be clear about that. Perimeter means the sum of all sides. Let me find the perimeter of this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. If each square is 1 centimeter, then let me say each square is equals to, let me write it down properly because this is not the right way. Each square is equals to 1 centimeter. So this means that I have here, I will count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So right now my perimeter is 18 centimeter. One most important part, remember that perimeter is not in centimeter square. Only area is in centimeters square. The unit of perimeter is only centimeter, because you're not multiplying any number in here. In area we multiply length and width. That's why we got our answer in centimeter square. When we say perimeter, we always count the sides, and remember we never count the internal lines. For example, if this is a house, and in this house this wall is 8 meter, this wall is 4 meter, this wall is 3 meter, let's say this wall is 5 meter again, and this wall is, let's say, 3 meter, and this wall is 1 meter. Now the perimeter will be sum of all sides. So 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. I can say 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3. If there is another line inside and another line here, I will not add them anywhere. Why? Because perimeter is sum of all sides, external sides, not the internal. Sum of these sides will give me the right perimeter. So I will add them up. 8 and 4, 12, 12 and 3, 15, 15 and 1, 16 and 5, 21 and 3, 24. So 24 centimeter will be my perimeter. For grade 3, 4 and up to grade 3 and 4, I guess you usually have shapes like this. So let's say I have this shape, and if you want to find the perimeter, what you will do, teach your kids like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or write the digital number, not the Romans, not like this tally marking. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter is 12 centimeter. For any further discussion, any further points, if you want to share, if you think this can be improved, please share with me, inshallah. Under the comments, I will wait for your response. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.